Hi students, in today's session I am going to explain the preparation, properties and uses of boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride is a colorless gas, pungent smell and toxic gas. Toxic means poisonous gas. Okay, what is the formula for boron trifluoride? That is BF3. So here BF3. Boron, 3 times of fluorine, so trifluoride. Okay, let us see the preparation of boron trifluoride. Boron trifluoride is obtained by a treatment of calcium fluoride with boron trioxide in the presence of corn sulfuric acid. Let us see the equation. Boron trioxide B2O3 plus calcium fluoride in the presence of corn sulfuric acid, that is H2SO4. When it is heated, it gives boron trifluoride BF3 plus calcium sulfate and water molecules. Now balance the equation. Here boron 2 times, so here boron 2 times. And fluorine 3 2s are 6, here only 2 times. So 3 times. And then calcium here 3 times. So here only 1 time. So 3 times of calcium. Then sulfur here 3 times. Here 1 time. So 3 times of sulfur. And then hydrogen here 3 2s are 6. Here only 2 times. So 3 times of hydrogen. So equations are balanced. And the next method is, it can also be obtained by treating boron trioxide with carbon and fluorine. Boron trioxide is treated with carbon and fluorine. It gives boron trifluoride and carbon monoxide. Let us see the equation. Boron trioxide B2O3 is treated with carbon and fluorine. It gives boron trifluoride plus carbon monoxide. Now balance the equation. 2 times of boron. So here 2 times of boron. Fluorine here 6 times, here only 2 times, so 6 times now. Then here oxygen 3 times, so here oxygen 3 times, and then carbon here 3 times, so here carbon is 3 times. Equations are balanced. And then next method is, in the laboratory, pure boron trifluoride is prepared by the thermal decomposition of benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Benzene diazonium tetrafluoroborate. Okay, first I draw the benzene structure. So this is benzene structure. A bond is present. Okay, the general formula for benzene is C6H6. Okay, that is benzene. Azo means nitrogen. Here 2 times diazo means 2 times of nitrogen. So nitrogen 2 times is present, and then tetrafluoroborate. Tetrafluoroborate. Tetra represent 4, fluoro represent fluorine, and borate B. So this is di mean 2 times, diazo mean nitrogen group, diazo tetrafluoroborate. Here pH is given. So what do you mean by pH? Mean that is phenyl group. For example, C6H6 mean that is benzene. C6H5 represent phenyl group. Okay. Here carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen, carbon, hydrogen. Here we remove 1 hydrogen and add diazo group here. So that is this group. The structure represents phenyl. So phenyl diazo tetrafluoroborate. Phenyl diazo tetrafluoroborate, when it is heated, it is thermal decomposition and converted into boron trifluoride, that is BF3. Okay, plus here phenyl group, so phenyl, and what is the fluorine? Remaining fluorine is only 1 time, so PHF, that is phenyl fluoride plus nitrogen is found. Then let us see the properties. Boron trifluoride has a planar geometry. It is an electron deficient and accept electron pair to form a coordinate covalent bonds. So boron trifluoride is a planar ring. Boron trifluoride F. It is present in same plane. So this is a planar geometry and is the electron deficient. Okay. So around the boron, totally 3 bond is present here. In each bond have a 2 electrons. So here 2 electrons, here 2 electrons, here also 2 electrons. When it is complete the octet configuration, 8 electrons mean that is a complete the octet configuration. But here only 6 electrons is present here. So this is the incomplete one. So we need 2 electrons. So this is electron deficient. Electron deficient means it is easily accepted electron from other compound. So it makes a coordinate covalent bonds. They form complex of the type BX4 minus. Boron trifluoride is reacted with ammonia NH3. It gives one of the complex compound, that is NH3 here BF3. So this is the complex compound. Okay, here nitrogen has extra electron. So boron is the electron deficient compound. It accepts electron from nitrogen and make this compound. Our next example is same BF3 is taken. Is reacted with water molecule, that is H2O. It gives another one complex compound like this OH2 BF3. Here oxygen has extra electron. Boron is electron deficient. So boron accepts electron from oxygen and we obtain this type of complex. On hydrolysis, boric acid is obtained. This then gets converted into fluoroboric acid. The formula for boric acid is H3BO3. Let us see the equation. Boron trifluoride is treated with water. It gives boric acid. The formula for boric acid is H3BO3 plus hydrogen fluoride is formed. Now balance the equation. Here I take 4 times of H3BO3. So boron here 4 times. So here we write boron 4 times. And next one, fluorine, here 3 4s are 12. So here fluorine 12 times. And see, oxygen molecules here 3 4s are 12. So here oxygen molecules 12. And hydrogen 12 2s are 24. Here 4 3s are 12. Here 12 times. So hydrogen is 24. Equations are balanced. And the next equation, H3BO3 plus hydrogen fluoride, 12 times of hydrogen fluoride. But here the product is 4 times of H3BO3, boric acid is formed. But I take 3 times of boric acid is here. It is converted into, what is the product is formed here? Here 3HBF4 plus 9 times of H2O is formed here. I write like this. So this is cation part, this one is anion part. Cation part represent the symbol is positive charge. Anion part represent the symbol is negative charge. So I write like this. 3H plus 3 times of BF4 minus. H plus 3 times of minus plus 9 times of H2 and then overall equation. Okay, here 4 times BF3. Here no BF3 is present. So 4 times of BF3. plus here 12 times H2O, here 9 times of H2O. Subtract this one, 12 minus 9, 3 times of H2O. Gives here 4 times of boric acid, but here 3 times of boric acid. So 4 minus 3, 1. So only 1 time of H3BO3. And then here 12 times hydrogen fluoride. Here also 12 times hydrogen fluoride. So cancel this 2 term. 12 minus 12, 0. So cancel this term. Plus what is remaining? In second equation, product side, one cation and anion is remaining. What is that? 3H plus and anion is 3BF4 minus. This is the overall reaction. Here, this then gets converted into fluoroboric acid. And then let us see the uses of boron trifluoride. The first uses is boron trifluoride is used for preparing HBFO, that is hydrofluoroboric acid, a catalyst in organic chemistry. So this is very strong catalyst in organic chemistry. So catalyst work is speed of the reaction, rate of the reaction. And then it is also used as a fluorinating reagent. So here BF3. More fluorine is present here. So this is the fluorinating reagent. The first one is boron trifluoride is used for preparing HBFO, that is hydrofluoroboric acid, a catalyst in organic chemistry, and it is also used as a fluorinating reagent. So that's all for preparation, properties and uses of boron trifluoride. Thank you, children.